Alrighty, welcome back to another Cool Loser Tech video. These are the best apps of the week, so let's do it to it. But the best live wallpaper of the weekend is called Hero's Journey. The little horse running up and down the hills. You can change the settings in there, but it's a very smooth wallpaper. It looks cool. So I'm going to start off with Smart Launcher here. Obviously here we have a little circle of our applications that we use mostly, so I can just tap on it and it'll go to my messages, camera, and so forth. But clicking on the apps drawer, you will see that it actually puts it in communication in little categories: internet stuff, all your games, your media, utilities, and then you go to all your other settings for this stuff. Now you can go into the settings here and go to preference. Lots of themes, like all of these are themes that you're going to be able to like download. These are all free, and there's paid ones. Like if you want this look here, you can see you swipe up, swipe down, sort of like Nova and Apex settings. It's not that bad. I mean, it's very easy if you want to try something new, so try it out for yourself. Here next we have pop-up notification. Now clicking on this one will actually allow you to get any message from anything that pops up in here. See, these are the ones that I have selected. I got Bank of America, all my emails, social networks. So whatever you have, even if you play a game and it says, hey, you got more lives, you can select this and it'll notify you. And you see, I just got this pop-up, and whenever I get email, Facebook, missed calls, or more texting people, hangouts, whatever it is, you're gonna get pop-ups like this in your lock screen. You could actually dismiss them just by, I didn't mean to do that. Trust me, it's very convenient. I like how I can see all my messages in just one little section. I can scroll through it. If you didn't understand this application, I promise you, when you download it, you're really gonna like these notifications that you're gonna start receiving. But definitely try this one out for yourself. Here next we have Minuum keyboard. Now Minuum keyboard is this keyboard right there. You're looking at it. If you don't like it this short, you could always flip up just like that, and now you got the full row keyboard and you know what you're used to. And if you want to drag it down, you can click on that and it goes to here. So now let me show you how I'm gonna text here. It's a little low, so it's kind of hard to get used to, but then once you get it, it's very easy to do. I want to go to the store. Oh, almost got it, but if it doesn't get it right, you can see that you can correct it right here. It says store. Now, how did I text that? It's because you're still pressing in the same directions where they would be. Now, there's nothing up there. D-O-N-T for get to. If you want to get any of these accents, you want to go into long hold and you can drag up and get into them. For numbers, you can get up here as well. You just gotta get used to it and it might help you out. So go try it out for yourself. Here next we have PushBullet. And with this application, you'll be able to push all your notifications. Let's say you're on your computer and you do a lot of things on it. You don't want to keep checking your phone, and your phone's away, you don't want to grab it. You can answer and look at all your messages through PushBullet. You'll be logged in through your Gmail account. And since I'm doing the lazy way,
you just open our Chrome extension. We'll pre-fill with the link. Or you can type a note, send yourself an address so you don't have to look it up again, a checklist, or even files. Let's send myself a list quick. Let's call it to do. Let's say first, second, and even a third thing. Okay? I click push, and just like that, it's over here. Just that fast, no matter where I am or where my phone is. And in the notification, I can actually see what I sent myself.
It's kind of like Chrome to phone. I'm not going to go in depth on how to do it, but it's pretty cool, so try it out for yourself. Here next we have one-click scroll, the rooted devices, which is a jailbroken version for Android. This application serves two quick purposes. This is for an example. Let's say that we're scrolling all the way to like a very, very low area, and you know how I'm scrolling very far, right? And let's say that I don't want to keep scrolling all that to the top. Now I can click on the status bar, and right then and there, that might actually be scooting all the way to the bottom. It's to scroll all the way down or up. It's scrolling, oh there it goes. So it's scrolling pretty far up. So I don't have to do the finger swiping, quick gesture for you to do on web pages, your Facebook, emails, whatever it is. It just scrolls up and down so that you don't have to keep swiping and swiping and swiping up to it. So go try it out for yourself. Here next we have Beats Music. If you guys watched the Super Bowl, you guys would have seen this. It's another music service which will require you to pay, but you get 7-day free trial. Okay. And you'll see this is just for you. You can go to highlights, you can see find it, you can go in genres, you see beats, alternative beats, Christian. There's all gonna be beats in front of it. There's comedy, dance, electronic, family, hip hop. I'm a hip hop kind of guy, so Seahawks mix. You can click on it and see like what they're gonna be playing. And you can skip to the next song and skip to the next. So in a way, you know, instead of having to download all the time, you can favorite these and listen to them. Go try it out for yourself. Here next we have PrankDial. I wanted to save it for another type of video, but I just want to get out of the way because it's so fun. And you get 2 free calls a day, which is going to be pranking. Right here is obviously to insert people's numbers and go through your phone list and record a reaction, which is going to be recording the call. You go by language, Spanish, English, and French. In the best section here, you say you hit my car. So this is what they would receive.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yo, hey.
What's up? Who's this?
So you the one who hit my car?
What do you mean? What car? When?
Well, you left your phone number on my windshield.
I didn't do anything.
Then why'd you leave a damn note?
I didn't even, it's not me. How did you even get this number?
I'm losing my patience.
What are you gonna do about it? You wanna fight, bruh?
Man, what's wrong with you?
I wanna fight you.
I got your note right here in my own...
There's lots of them to listen to. Look at that little tab there. I mean, it's so funny. Don't get in trouble with it. It's a fun application. Top pranks that people uploaded on. Go have fun. Just don't do it to me. And here next we have BatteryGuru for Snapdragon devices, such as the S4, HTC One. If you try to download this application and it works, then it's going to be very nice. It's going to give you battery savings because it controls and turns on settings when you need them and don't need them, like the calendar. When does it need a refresh? Only when I need it. I don't need it refreshing in the background when I'm not using it. And then you get some extras which don't matter for me. But let's go into the settings. If your phone's gonna die, you can actually set a percentage of when you want things to turn off. Disable the data, turn off Wi-Fi and all this other things. I have Beanstalk ROM installed, so I go through a lot of changes of ROMs, bringing this application back. I already was getting 4 or 5 hours of on-screen time. Now this would probably help me to get like 6 hours possible to save battery and manage data. So you can't go wrong just testing it out for yourself. And last but not least, we have energy bar. You've probably been wondering what this little green line is. That's actually my battery percentage. Wherever I'm at, I'm always gonna see that battery bar. You see the thickness, I can change it. You can put on the left or the right. You can see you can pick colors. Right now it's on green. There's a yellow, and this pink, blue. Like you can change it to any color that you want. And that's about it. So any application you're in, you'll see that blue little bar there. Instead of having to like exit a game or a movie just to see your battery drainage, you can always have it up there in a little minimal line there to make sure you know where it's at. And that is it. These were the best apps of the week right off Google Play, brought to you by me, the Cool Loser. And as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to spread the word of the Cool Loser. I am actually undergoing a new setup on my desk with everything I'm using. I'm gonna make a tutorial on like what I use, how I have everything set up. And it's gonna take a little bit, everything I use, like what model this is, what my monitor is, what my keyboard is, lights I'm using, what speakers, desk, all that. Some people asked like a little tutorial like what I use. I'll just be showing that stuff. So that's pretty much it, guys. Until next time, later.